If you want to edit Whop store page or community page, then here's what you're going to do. Customization is done through the central admin dashboard. So from your dashboard, I'm just going to head back so that you can see how we're going to access the dashboard or this page. So you can just head over from your home. This is your dashboard, and then from there you're just going to scroll down onto your Whops section, and then from here you're going to select one of your Whops. Now from here you can see I have this community right here. What you're going to do is you're just going to click on dashboard right here, and then from there what you're going to do is you're just going to click on my store, and then from there you're going to click on edit store page to edit your Whop store page. So you're just going to click on edit store page, and then you will be able to edit all of the store page. This is where you can upload your logo, cover image, set a custom URL, and update the main description that appears in the Whop marketplace. So you can just do that from here. You have here your mobile view and the computer or the desktop view if you want. And then another thing is you can also edit it from your products page. So you can see here your basic access. This is actually my community. So you can just click on this three dots right here at the side of your community, and then from there you're going to click on edit. And then from here you will be able to access the product that you have created. So this is basically the community page editor. So you can do basic you can do change the name, headline, description, product medias, pricing, features, and all of that stuff, anything that you have initially created or put right here. And then once you're done editing, you're just going to click on save to save all of the changes that you did here. And then after that, you can just head back, and it's it. That is how you can edit Whop store page and community page. If you're planning to sign up and start selling on Whop, please use the link in the description box to get direct access to our exclusive perks on maximizing your community earnings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.